In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a map sensor on your Chevy 2500. This is going to be on the 8-liter variation. This is going to be located on the top of the motor. Let's get started. Using an 8mm socket, loosen the bolt for the cover. Lift the cover up and pull straight out. Don't lose that bolt. Remove the connector off of the map sensor. Lift up, push straight back, and remove the connector. Using a 10mm socket, remove the bolt. Give the sensor a slight wiggle and pull straight up. Remove the sensor. Wipe the area with a clean rag, making sure you're wiping away from the hole going into the intake. Install the map sensor into the vehicle. You can use a bit of silicone paste if you're having trouble to install it. Install the connector onto the side. Push straight on, push until you hear a click. If you don't, give it a pull. Make sure it's locked on. Install the bolt, get it started by hand, and snug it down. Get it nice and snug. Install the engine cover, line it up, and push it into place. Hinge it down, get that screw started, and snug it down. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.